It's May 2024 in Mumbai, and cops nab a pigeon near a port with tiny metal rings on its legs, stamped with Chinese characters. Suspicion spikes. Is it a spy bird? India's tense with China, so they x-ray it, finding no tech, just feathers. Turns out it's a racing pigeon from Taiwan, blown off course. But the story blows up. X calls it Agent Feather, and locals joke about avian espionage. The bird's held for days, then freed after diplomatic chirps. A feathered false alarm that gripped a nation. History's silliest security flap. Like and hit that subscribe button for more.